So now we created the UI, and this is the splasher screen, and this is the main screen, and the keyword is jump, and this is the image, and on the click of this button the image will be changed, but for now it's not changing because it's dynamic and we have to use some coding. And for this we move on to the view controller file. Here we will code the rest of it. So let me show you image literal what we are using in this array. So the image array will show an image literal, and image literal is something to choose the image whatever you want to show. So this is the dialog, and let's suppose we are clicking over this. Now just cut it, control cut, and add an array of images equals to array, and control V dot paste. And now on double click on this image literal, choose this one. On the other hand, add multiple. Don't repeat the values of the images. So this is it. Let me just cut it and place on the top of the class, inside the class right here. And now let me just create another, open another inspector, which is a main.storyboard, and let me just switch it. So I need the image view to drag inside the view controller so that on every click the image will change. How it is possible? Just drag this, click this image view and drag it like this and insert. This is IB outlet, and IB outlet is about selecting the outlet which you are using, and it's you can say this is a variable, and we have to select the type of the whatever connection we are creating to. So we are creating outlet, so we have to choose the type of the outlet, which is image UI, and then the name is image view, and connect. And similarly we have to click this. Let me just change the label of this also, but later on. Labels, connect, and let me just change the title again. Okay, now the last one is our button, and the button is to perform the action. So we will drag it inside the class and select any is the type of UI button, and this is action because we have to perform a certain action on that press, and connect. So now what we have to do is, let me just minimize it again, cross this. Now what we have to do, we have to choose a random value from the array, which is this, and on choosing the random value, just get the random value var random value equals to images dot random element and dot, this is the random value we got, and in image view, which is this dot set image equals to the random value. And because the var variable is not changing, so let's just change the type of the var to let, and that's it. For now we have to just call this and run and see if the images are changing on the click or not. So We don't need any image right now, so just run it and see. Just remove it, and now just see. One click, it will change the images. So these are the images changing as per the requirement. What I have done is just remove the image by removing the title. Let's suppose it was exercise. So I was just typing here, and after just clear the image, so it will not show the any image. So now what I have to do is show the title of that particular image, and for this we can use, so for this we can use a short technique for now is to add the, let me just minimize it and just add here the key value pair as a dictionary. So what we have to do is use here the key value pair, and let's suppose that we are using here the key and the value inside this array, so that it will help us to recognize which image we are using. And let's say it's yoga, then same, I'm just copying this in text from this because I told you earlier that you have to learn Swift before starting the tutorial. This is plank, and this one is, I guess, sit-ups. This one is running. This one is, the last one is sit-ups, like this. So get the value, and for label we will just type label dot text equals to random dot key. Now just run it and see the results. So now just click next. So the exercise is bowling exercise, sit up, plank, running, ball exercise, and again yoga. So that's it for today. Hope you will like this video. We will send you the assignments on your email as well, and post it on the Facebook page which we have on the Facebook as UKTechins tutorial, and follow us on Instagram. We will also post the exercise on the UKTechins Instagram. So let's do practice and create this application, and share your feedbacks under the comment section. Share these screenshots, share this with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe us. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.